kami ng pito.
Fake.
Ingat sa west side ah.
GT box. Ingat GT box. Get ready. Yo, we might headbutt ready. Defense, fake only. Yo, after the flare call, careful. Defense is now. Oh, I called it already. Oh, do. I've called it already. Careful. Okay. Yo, guard runes when bonking. Guard runes. Yeah, the Loki, defenses, counter, northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast. Okay, just hold. Hold and bonk. So, do. I'm not telling you to come in, just hold. Patience, still. Okay, come back, sabay a bit, okay? Sabay. Yo, balloon, get ready to fake, ha? Yo, walk in northeast. Walk up northeast. Fake only. Yo, walk up northeast, fake. Give me a fake pass. Okay, hold only. Okay? Yo, defenses down. Put a pen. Pop punch, put a pen. Okay, get ready. Walk in. Inside only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Inside. Clap this inside. Okay, let's spread southwest now. Drop your Judy. Come west. Okay, peel. Come west. Brawl west. Okay, hold only. Okay? Fake only. Ready, defenses now. Spread now. They're gonna engage soon. Looking. Okay, looking. Ready, defenses now. Okay, good. Keep rolling. Yo, give me one fake inside. One fake inside. Hold. Yo, find the crown. Everything on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the crown now, boys. On the crown now. Clap it on the crown. Where's the DPS? Okay, keep on spreading. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl. Okay, ready, defenses. Okay. Hold only. Spread southwest. Care. Okay. They're looking. Call is looking. Okay, call is looking southeast. Defense southeast now. Okay, heal up. Okay. Hold only. Look at northeast by the gate. Walk up now. Northeast by the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast by the gate now. Then spread again. Spread again, boys. Yo, spread more. Care west side. You two clump up west side. Fake only. Okay, ready, defenses. Okay. Oh, do. Yo, spread more, people. Defense west side. Oh my god. Okay, everyone out. Out. Shut up. Hindi kayo marunong mag-spread, guys. Y'all suck at spreading.
Oh, man.
And also, ba't di wala na-detect? Ba't wala nakaklap DPS ko sa unang 2 engages?
You don't blame me.
I'm confused. We already inside enemy zerg. How we not, deleting them? Explanation? Ano?
Fear is a big factor of this, boss.
It's not fear. You're already inside the enemy zerg. It's not fear.
Lahat
Panic.
din ano. Yung
Can't pop
party.
my demon, man. I'm always half HP.
Matay ka, karating mo lang. Run!
Regroup na lang sa meadow. Faster.
Panic level to 100.
Just chill. Just spread. That's it. No need to,
Mag-play ko sila.
no need to panic. Mahina pa nga engage na kanina eh.
Yung ano eh. Tapos DPS. Sige.
Lumaw.
Saan mo ba yung perma?
So dapat dun yung malaki yung sa ano. Yung full engage siya lang. Tapos nag-fake lang tayo. Full tayo dun. Dapat malaki yun eh.
Like, din ako dun pag-carding. Ayun.
Regroup, meadow. Bakit late carving mo? Ano explanation mo?